I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Cadillac Escalade. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. You will also need approximately 8 quarts of new engine oil, typically 0W20 or 5W30, and a new oil filter. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your vehicle's underside. Now, safely lift your Cadillac Escalade using a jack and secure it with jack stands on a level surface. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dirty engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old oil filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinsert the drain plug and tighten it securely. Finally, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and carefully pour in the new engine oil. For most Escalades, this will be approximately 8 quarts. Replace the fill cap. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, then shut it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.